Question number 20. Let 2y equals to cot inverse of root 3 cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus root 3 sin x, and this is enclosed in the bracket to the whole power 2. Then we have to calculate dy by dx. Now moving towards the solution, we know we have given that 2y equals to cot inverse of this whole term into whole square. Now dividing this whole term bracket term, this whole bracket term, numerator and denominator is divided by cos x. So our root 3 cos x divided by cos x is root 3 left, and sin x upon cos x is tan x, and similarly cos x upon cos x is 1 minus root 3 sin x upon cos x is root 3 tan x. And then we know value of root 3 in terms of tan is tan pi by 3 is r root 3. So we can say we will put tan pi by 3 in place of root 3. We will have a property of tan a plus b equals to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. So our tan a here is tan pi by 3 and tan b is our tan x. Tan b is tan x. Then we'll get our value of tan a plus tan b is tan pi by 3 plus x, pi by 3 plus x. Which we have mentioned here, and also cot inverse of any term can be written as pi by 2 minus tan inverse of that term by this property. Sum of tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. On further solving, we'll get tan inverse is cancelled by tan. We'll get pi by 2 minus pi by 3 plus x whole square. Then we'll on differentiating, we get 2 dy by dx equals to 2 pi by 6 minus x into minus 1 dy by dx, then equals to x minus pi by 6. So our answer A is correct. Thank you.